In this episode of The Landscape, I got a chance to speak to Arsh Sharma, who is a CNCF Ambassador and is doing amazing things related to developer experience and platform engineering at Okteto. I first met Arsh a few years ago when he had completed the LFX Mentorship Program, and his growth has been absolutely stellar since then. This episode is brought to you by OVH Cloud, the global cloud provider delivering industry-leading performance and cost-effective solutions. From managed Kubernetes to private registries, OVH Cloud has the cloud-native tools you need. OVH Cloud, the world needs different. Now, let's take a look at the episode with Arsh. What is your area of focus as a CNCF ambassador?
Well, my area of focus has kind of shifted over the course of my ambassadorship. So initially, I used to be very into the Kubernetes ecosystem and the SIG Docs project. I used to be a new contributor ambassador there. But with time, I have shifted my area of focus to platform engineering and content related to that.
What projects are you most excited about in the CNCF landscape?
What projects I'm most excited about? I would say I'm excited to see where the whole Backstage story goes. It has been I've heard such varied opinions that I'm excited to see where it goes and how it converges to a point where it's accessible for everyone and not just people who are willing to spend the time setting it up and all of that. I want it to be more accessible and see how that turns out for the community.
Very good. And what trend are you watching most closely, and what should other people be paying attention to?
One trend I've so I'm at Rejects right now, and I've attended 2 talks right now, and both of the talks had this one common trend where developer experience is now almost a part of every dev tools or project or whatever the talk is on. Developer experience is a specific focus there. So I'm really liking this trend where we are not just talking about the problems the tools are solving, but also talking about how those problems are being solved. Is it easier on the developers, or do they have to jump 1,000 hurdles just to solve that problem? So getting that getting the developer experience, getting that priority, that's been super cool to see.
And you're very active, when it comes to platform engineering, when it comes to developer experience. What are people getting wrong about that?
I think what people are getting wrong about is that they have their own opinions, but they're not going out and validating those opinions. They are strongly holding on to those beliefs that, this is making up for a good developer experience, so I'm going to do this. What they do not realize is that developer experience is not one size fits all. So you really need to talk to the developers in your organization and understand what they want. It's not that you attended a talk at Kubecon and, you learned that this is how X company is doing DevX, so I'm just going to copy paste that to my company and my developers will be happy. That is something people are getting wrong. They're not asking their developers what they need and focusing on their specific problems, and they're just trying to apply general solutions.
What's next for you?
What's next for me? I'm really excited for Kubecon India, which is going to be happening in December in India for the first time. I think I was at Cube Day India last year, which is a smaller scale event, and that was really fun. So I'm really looking forward to seeing a full Kubecon in India happen, and I'll see everyone there, I guess.
What's the best way for people to get in touch with you?
It would be LinkedIn or Twitter. You can find, I'm sure Bart would put some handles here, but you can reach out to me on either of those. But if you want to send me an email, you can send me an email as well at hey@arsharma.com. I'm happy to always chat with people from the community.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Arsh.
Yeah.
Cheers.